Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 191 of the Feathered Quest. Our bird today is the Eastern Bluebird. Single male Eastern Bluebirds can crank out up to 1,000 songs an hour, basically speed running heartbreak. Even on a normal day, they're still belting out 400 to 500 tunes, desperately hoping someone notices. Let's go find that daily feather. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you're loved and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?